Hey everyone, welcome to day 21 of the Etsy Hacks 30-Day Challenge. On today's video, I'm going to teach you a hack that will definitely help you increase your Etsy sales. So the hack that I'm teaching you today is how to rearrange your listings. A lot of people don't know this, but you can actually rearrange this any way that you want. All you need to do is go to your store, click on Edit Shop, and then you're going to go ahead and go down here where it says Rearrange Items. And what's cool about this is that you could rearrange your listings on how you want it to look when people visit your homepage. And you could just drag and drop wherever you want that listing to be, or you could just put the number here. If you want this to be right here as your third listing, you could just type in 3 and it will automatically push it to 3. So it doesn't matter how you do it, whether it's drag and drop or change the order right here. Once you're happy with the order, click on Exit Rearrange Mode. Now, one cool thing that you could do in order to increase your sales, if you have matching items or if you sell matching pieces, for instance, if you're in the jewelry business and you sell earrings, necklace, bracelets, and rings, right? I wrote them down so I wouldn't forget. Let's say that what you would do is you would put the earrings right here, the matching necklace right here, the matching bracelet right here, and the matching ring. This way, when people browse your Etsy store, they could see the collection. A lot of times, if you have like 4 pieces, it's really nice to have 4 pieces here from one collection, 4 pieces here from one collection, 4 pieces here from one collection. And this is a great way to increase your sales. Definitely does help you. I have it set up like that in my main store, and it has helped me increase my sales. Now, what you can also do is if you have similar items. So let's say that you sell shoes and you have the same shoe, maybe in different variations. Maybe you have a pair of gym shoes that are green, but then you sell it in blue, you sell it also in white, and then you sell it in pink. Then you could put the order of them. You could put all of the same type of shoe, but just different colors in one section. This way, when people are browsing your store, it's almost like they see the full collection, even though they didn't click on your shop section where you could have your collection there as well. You could actually have it here already right in their face. And they could be like, oh, okay, this is really cool. Like, I didn't know, I intentionally, or I clicked on the black shoe, but I didn't know they had a pink shoe. I kind of like that one better. That could potentially get you a sale. Or maybe they clicked on the earrings and now they're like, oh, wow, they have the matching necklace, the matching bracelet, the matching ring. Let me go ahead and get 2 out of 4 or maybe all 4, hopefully, right? It could definitely help you upscale and get more sales. So this is a trick that I highly recommend doing, especially if you have matching items or similar products. You can also do this for a wedding niche or a party niche. So if you have stuff that goes together collectively, you could showcase them together next to each other. So when the customer is browsing through your store, they could see everything that comes together in a collection right away. So I hope this tip helps you. Let me know if it's your first time hearing about rearranging your listings. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And I will see you on the next Etsy hack video.